Hello guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. So guys, you know me with my trust issues and my doubts when it comes to izinto ze-EFF. I remember MMC promisile ukuthi he went to hijack buildings and then discussed with building hijackers, and they decided they will give them a chance to those who are willing to pay rent to pay rent. And Herman Mashaba came with his own views to say no. Actually, Herman Mashaba was condemning what MMC is saying. He will negotiate with these people for those who are willing to pay rent So now, this is a video. I don't know if this is the video MMC was telling or was referring to. He spoke to them already, or maybe it's a video he made after the interview. I'm not sure of that. But I don't understand why this video, the whole video, I don't see illegal. But yeah, vele siyazi ukuthi
okay. So in the basic phone that but there's phone then say to my colleagues that stories and then in the front because they're building as phone back figure out from red ends and what will it take back? We can see the bend down, see if they're right. And I never anything like that. The final function about event in the pattern. So,
oh yeah, I understand now. This video is the same video who MMC was talking about on the interview to say I already negotiated with tenants, aleli flatty that seem to be hijacked, but these people are willing to pay rent. Yes, this video was taken before. It's not after. Let's just continue, guys. We'll discuss it after.
So you want to get into the city. Well, let's say your mom and then I come with a proposal. Yeah? With the moms, so I clean and it's a seat. So I clean and family man, pay. So in the tenants, they are willing to no, let me show mama because of course the alternative accommodation. But you are asked by England of that particular accommodation. Even the people that will take it from a mall. We're actually blaming the city that we have brought them tax. I'm a gangster. So we are even because then now I call right, the court we can move you to a land or something. Because then now I know child or collapse. But we tried that thing at the Orange Farm. Orange Farm supported tent, we put up everything. But never. But we have a way to know other than Masita, Sama, this is taking everything they kakuhle neline.
What about lama buildings? I would like to come in awenzayo. Awalungise like masithi sathatha ngendaweni yazo South East ama building akhona pha.
0.5 for 2,000 normally, because some of us can afford.
Sure.
So why kumele manje usihlalele evalweni like we are foreign nationals manje? Sihlele ekhaya kodwa sihlele ngathi ngicela ukuthi uyilungise le ndaba. Angeke sizohlala kabuhlungu silale kabuhlungu. Sinabantwana mfowethu.
Igama langubani?
Igama lami nguMpho.
Mpho. Usuka Khamako.
Ngoye Komani.
Komani. Prince Town.
Yeah, I would see.
Oh, what you see? Oh, I'm not going to
Yeah, I'm not.
Yazi problem yami about MMC, he is too soft. I understand ukuthi ubuntu, you have to have a spirit of ubuntu as a human being, and ungabuki abantu as sympathize if behluphekile, but it's too much for this office because some people, they are taking advantage of the situation. Some of these people, they were giving up the P houses. They decided to give those houses to foreigners. And now they are demanding, they are hijacking, and becoming so aggressive as if it's a good thing to hijack. Even if you are a citizen, you are not allowed to just go and grab. But because the MMC is from the party that is encouraging people to take whatever, you grab a land, you grab property, even if you are not from this country, you can just come and find creative ways. And then, because what is happening right now is caused by them as the EFF. What are they expecting after inviting the whole continent to come to this country? Where are we all going to stay? Are we not going to be criminals and hijack buildings?
Sizophuma siyephi? Sithini? Khakheni yazini, khakheni benendlela yokwenza izinto. Enzani indlela lokuthi ni renovate sikhona. Oh mama, naba ngase 222 bahlala phandle. Xa nisuka apha ndizawudlula kubo phanga ngase 222. Xa nijikela ngapha ngase Constitution Hill, kunomama bahleli phandle abanandawo zokuhlala. So nathi masiphume apha njengoMashaba esisho, siphume nathi apha sithini siyojoin abamama phandle.
So you see, iphendukile manje seku uMashaba wrong, because uMashaba came up with a complaint yokuthi how can you negotiate with building hijackers and 90% or 95% of those buildings are hijacked by illegal immigrants. The MMC did not explain to us as the nation, are these people illegal foreigners or South Africans? That is the question that some of us are asking. Was he speaking about only South Africans or all building hijackers? We will negotiate with them and ask them if they are willing to pay rent. Okay, now we understand these are South Africans, but we don't know behind this mama how many illegal foreigners that are there. The only thing MMC said is we will negotiate with them and ask if they can pay, they will be able to pay rent. That's all. So if Herman Mashaba is complaining about negotiating with criminals, because of course these people are criminals, even if they are not stealing, they are not hijacking a property that does not belong to you is a criminal offense, even if you are a citizen of the country. So now the blame is on Mashaba.
Senze njani? Ndiyabuza kuwe tata. Senze njani? Izinto anizenzi ngendlela. Always xa kufuneka nenze izinto niyashayikiswa, kufuneka kwenzeke into. Ngoku iskandal senzeke ngoku niphakame nithi nihambe nitshone ngapha nitshone ngapha nitshone ngapha nitshone ngapha nangoku kushone umntana abantu ngapha ya uDJ Warrior kuyashayekeka kufuneka sishayeke sonke nizaqaphela yonke le nto nithule ngeliphila ndithethe nizawuthula akudlula kathise uthise ubulewe maseyidlulile nizawuthula futhi khakhe nenze izinto ngendlela njengeenkokheli zethu zase-South Africa niphula apha isoksi zenu nenze izinto ningayeki uphula apha isoksi zenu njengenye i-FF nani nenze izinto ngendlela niyashayikiswa all the time yabona leyo hayi akwenzeke into kufuneka nishayike niphakame nithi xa seyiphelele nto leyo yeke
Walikhuluma iqiniso. She's telling the truth because we know ukuthi it's because of DJ Waraz. After 2 months or even less than a month, everything will go back to normal until kwenzeke futhi another something else ezoba buhlungu, then they will shake again. So it's true what this mama is saying here. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to state your own views on the comment section, like, share the video and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.